Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off reduce loud sounds while using headphone on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Then in the Sounds and Haptics, go to Headphone Safety. In the Headphone Safety, find the Reduce Loud Sounds. And as you notice, there's a switch button on the right side of the Reduce Loud Sounds. And all you have to do is just turn it on to Enable. And if you want to turn it off, just press again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off reduce loud sounds while using headphones on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.